A day after the World Boxing Association stripped him of his welterweight super title, Senator Manny Pacquiao posted this on his social media accounts. The photo was uncaptioned, but the comments of Pacquiao's followers seemed to speak for him. Pacquiao lost his WBA title due to inactivity. Pacquiao won his WBA Super Belt in his fight with Keith Thurman in July 2019. He, however, never got back in the ring afterwards. The COVID-19 pandemic put all his 2020 boxing plans on hold. Pacquiao also got busy as a politico, going around provinces, distributing relief goods and financial aid. It seems the rumored 2022 presidential candidate has no regrets, as he continues to post photos and videos celebrating his boxing and political career.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.